Hi guys, there's something new for the MUVILAG, and this has just arrived and yet added to the collection. But first of all, I have a question for you. Have you ever thought about a toy washing machine designed for early childhood? I did, and now I have the answer. Yes, of course, there is one, and this is it. I'm introducing it for you. This is made in Italy, and that's not a truffle affair, by CLEMENTONI. It has plastic bodywork and works with no water and no battery. It is manually, it works manually by a crank. As you can see, the door has not a glass but soft plastic wings. There is the drawer for detergent and the lid for adding water and detergent, but you don't have to add no water or no detergent. But you can play with soft balls. Inside the basket there are stackable soft plastic blocks, so that you can play like this. And it works manually. This toy is made for kids over 12 months, over 1 year, but I think for a 1 year kid it could be hard to play with because the crank is very heavy to move. And unless a parent will help, will turn the crank inside of the kid, I think it could be hard. But anyway, it's a very beautiful item. The plastic bodywork has cute colors just like children love. And I really do hope you will like it just like I do. And if you like it, please write on comments, follow the page and share it, share a video, share pics, share anything you like. And thank you for viewing this video, and don't miss the next ones. Thank you and bye.
Del MUVILAG. Io spero che anche a voi piaccia come piace a me, e se vi piace mettete like, scrivetelo nei commenti, seguite la pagina e condividete. Vi ringrazio di aver seguito il video e vi do appuntamento al prossimo che non tarderà. Ciao!